Hey y'all, we are headed out on a little overnight camping trip. It's kind of a miracle that we made it because it has been so busy here, and I have been working really hard on my project I'm about to release and share some exciting news in the next couple weeks. But anyway, we are headed to hopefully go catch a spring Chinook tomorrow. I've brought along some good food to cook, and we're gonna see what there is to forage on the way, so stay tuned. So guys, we were on our way to our spot and we found a cherry tree by the side of the road, so we're gonna stop and pick some cherries before we keep going. Here, look at this. Ta-da! Here, can I open the bag?
Yeah. Cherries. Cherries.
Wild cherries, there you go. These ones are a little smaller.
What does valve mean, Mom?
Still really good. Here we go. Lots of cherries.
Riding.
Need to clean out this pan a little bit.
Are you videoing them? Yeah, it's pretty, right? Straight.
Chicken with red wine vinegar, a tiny bit of olive oil, a tiny bit of soy sauce. And then once this gets really good and cooked, we're going to add in some Brussels sprout leaves that I harvested from the garden yesterday. So while dinner is cooking, I'm going to be setting up the place that we're going to be sleeping, which is the back of the car. There we go. Now for the air mattress.
I'm gonna show you too, Mom.
Doesn't that smell good though?
Yeah. Take one. A whiff. Chicken.
Oh, it smells so good.
It makes them take a whiff. Give them a whiff, Mom.
Impossible yet. But I bet they'll create some. Really
Lettuce.
You still want this, right?
Bowl of hot chocolate. Because we don't have any cups. Don't spill it, don't spill it, don't spill it. Why am I gonna get that much Dunkin' Donuts.
Good one.
like it. Oh, yeah.
Having fun, Carol?
No.
Why not? Show. That's red elderberries right there, guys. These are not actually edible, so don't eat those. The blue ones are, though. Well, good morning, guys. It was actually the best sleep that I've ever had in the car. Not to say it was like the ideal perfect sleep, but it was much better than car sleep that I've had in the past. So we're gonna go catch some fish. But first, I'm gonna make coffee.
Nowadays, camping in the forest.
Cute. It's really cold out there. Ooh, spider crawling on me. It was just a bug this time, so I think we're good. Don't show. Okay. Okay. Go, it's almost late. French vanilla. Nice strong coffee. And some coffee going. You can turn that off. Time to make some coffee. Oh yeah, my favorite part of camping. Turn it off. Off. No, turn it off. Carol? You want some hot chocolate now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put this to steep for a little bit. Now we have a little bowl here because I have a cup.
Oh, hot chocolate again. Ew, what if someone they ate and shot a bowl and then put it into their hot chocolate?
What do I do with that cup?
Hold on. Where's your coffee cup?
I'm trying to see what I did with it. So I need just a tiny bit of this water to rinse out the cup. It's a big cup. Some half and half here. Ooh, I made that really full. Do you want to put the rest in your hot chocolate? Good crowd. Bring him all the way on up, sister.
Yay!
The girlie caught another fish. Now she is good at catching this trout.
Oh my gosh, I need my bat. I packed it in the back of the car.
He was very, very...
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
happy.
No.
Don't let him go back in the water. He poked its eye out. So little sis caught a fish. She's gonna be cutting this fish up and cleaning it out. She's gonna be cooking it over the camp stove because we actually can't light a fire anymore. It's too much into fire season. And we are gonna be cooking some donuts. We have a bunch of canola oil here. It's actually the healthiest of vegetable oils to my knowledge. As far as like good ones to fry with that are still healthy.
Look what was in that fish.
What did you find in it?
Show. What is that?
I don't know. Anyway, then we have here some donut dough,
Oh,
powdered sugar.
Yeah,
I'm doing this right now. Powdered sugar, cherry pitter because we picked some wild cherries yesterday. We're gonna be making a cherry sauce for our donuts. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna get some oil heating up here. Pan is not seasoned very well because I forgot to clean it last time, so I just wiped it down so it's like sterilized and yet not the cleanest. It's got coffee grounds in it too, but it's okay. We're gonna heat it up. We're gonna add a whole bunch of oil. We can cook our donuts.
Dairy donuts in the wilderness.
Yeah, except now I'm noticing that it's not very level, which means I need to see if I can
I got eggs. I got eggs.
level this pan. Oh, you found some eggs inside the fish. Cool.
Show how tiny.
Okay, let's see. What can we do to level up this pan?
Do you even have a pack or a holder for it?
Okay, let's see if I can make this one-handed. I really need to get my tripod for the GoPro so I can start doing that.
I can make it.
Are you cleaning a fish?
Here.
It's okay. Keep cleaning your fish. I'm getting it. A little bit of coffee grounds in that donut, but it'll still taste good. Okay, my stick for flipping them. Now let's see if we can do this without burning them. Turn it down a little. Some wild cherries here that we picked Bessie's into some cherry sauce for donuts.
I got why this is a camping stove.
Where's my stirring stick? What did I do with it? Oh, it's right here.
It smells like Halloween.
Here we go. Wild cherries. A little bit of powdered sugar. My wild. The powdered sugar? Yeah, you are eating it.
Look at me eating it.
I see you eating it. Be careful. Pick those back up, please.
Well, maybe I should have set that.
Probably turn this down so they don't. I think this is almost done. Give me one of those. I'm gonna dip it in. Oops. Here we go. Cherry pie donuts.
He's trying to swim.
You're gonna have to let him go, Carol. I don't think he's very fond of being trapped in a bag. Guys, this is a kids only hatchery and it's usually pretty good this time of year. So we're gonna let little Carol have a try. Oh, you're fine. As you can see, it's so low and clear here this time of year. Could be its own challenge, but it's good practice for her because she needs to learn to get better at casting in small spaces. Good. Now reel quickly. So there you go. Perfect. Let her sit there. Oh yeah.
Is it going straight perfect?
Just now keep letting it go. Try to work it over that rock if you can. If it'll go, then pull it a little. There, now let it go. Let it go. Perfect. There, now let it go right in there. That's where I might have seen one.
Is it still there?
I don't know. Reel up your extra though. You don't want to have a bunch of extra line. Okay, good. Now reel up and do that again. Well, we are headed home. We have a busy afternoon, and I'm sure you guys will get this if you have a small business. It's like you go out of service for just overnight and you have messages of the wazoo that you have to respond to, and you have stuff. That's how it is whenever I take time to go fish anymore. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please check out the other ones on my channel and subscribe, because we have a lot of cool adventures coming up for the rest of this summer.